Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Akshaya Kavre. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I have two-way conversations with plants, animals and other species telepathically. In this video, I wish to speak a little about the accuracy of telepathic communication or animal communication. So as a communicator, I speak to almost 3 to 4 animals every day. And in a lot of cases, the humans may come back to me and ask me about specific details or accuracy as far as animal communication is concerned. I get asked things like the names of the humans or very specific things that the animals may do. And there are a lot of times where the animals may share such things. However, there could be certain times where the animals may choose to share absolutely something else that the human isn't really asking for. However, the animal wishes to share that. So one important point about animal communication is the fact that it is for us to understand the perception of the animal. My entire journey as a communicator has been full of understanding the animal's perceptions of things, and then as a human to understand that their perception is vastly different from ours. There are certain things that they may share that may totally not resonate with the humans. Does it mean the animal or the communicator is wrong? Does it mean that the communicator is lying or trying to scam the human? Absolutely not. It simply means that we need to be in all our heart and mind open to receiving the information that the animal wishes to share. When we communicate telepathically with these animals or anything in nature, we connect directly with the soul of that being. And the soul is not restricted to names and food and toys and very specific things. They may share things that they truly believe are going to help their humans, and they may share it in ways that the humans will understand what they are saying. So while it is very possible to get extreme specific points from animals when we ask them, it is also quite possible that the animal wishes to share information and things that they feel is important for their human to know. And in such cases, it is the responsibility of the communicator to ensure that these messages too are conveyed to their humans, because that is what the animal wants. And this is what we do as communicators, is to be the voice of the animal and verbalize everything that the animal wishes to share with their human. I hope you find this video helpful and you also understand a little better about how animal communication works, and I hope that this helps you have an open mind to receiving messages from your animals when you speak to them too.